Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some Record Store Day 2020 Black Friday edition unboxings. All of these can be purchased online at our website at www.theingroove.com starting at 1 o'clock Eastern Time on Black Friday Record Store Day. This is actually a U2 release that I think is going to be really, really desirable. The U2 releases seem over the years to be kind of hit or miss. Sometimes they're really, really in demand and gobbled up, and sometimes they're not. But this is nice. This is a full album. We're getting Boy on white vinyl. So again, I think 40th anniversary edition. I think this is going to be a solid release. All right, let's see what it looks like. Let's see. So far, pretty cool. This is my preferred way of seeing a record. A polyline sleeve and the lyrics on a sheet, not a paper generic sleeve. This is the preferable way of doing it. And nice poster here. Look at that. Very cool. All right, yeah, let's check out the record. It is on white vinyl. Yeah, this is nice. This is, for U2, this is the most impressive thing I've actually seen released in the last 5 years. Really, really, really nice. Let's see. Don't really know where it was made. Looks flat. Cool label. Yeah, looking forward to this. All right, guys, I'm Mike. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out our website, www.theingroove.com. Until next time.